will now be recorded.
Looks like I think there is some audio issues with Naga, I believe. Yeah, I was just chatting. Naga, can you hear us?
Guys, now I'm audible to you. Please check. I'm changing the audio option.
Yes, yes, you
Yes,
are loud and
yes,
clear.
yes.
Yes,
Thank
it's
you,
very
guys.
clear now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, myself Nagarjuna Vallakonda. Guys, I'm providing the trainings on different automation tools. I'm a IT working guy. Usually, I'm providing trainings on PowerShell, Python, and DevOps tools. My intention of this program is very clearly. So many people still think we are not in the good in the programming languages. So many people, even there are admins on different roles. Guys, remember this Python not a programming language. This is 100% fact. Why? Because like Java, if you see Java, it's very difficult to start our learning, even .NET also. Believe me, Python is not a programming language. Actually, we will call this is a scripting language. And it is suited for development section and automation section. Just you have to allocate 60 hours time. That is mandatory for live training. Live training purpose, you need to allocate your 60 hours time every day. Live only. My recommendation only live. You can observe the change after 15 hours, not end of the training. After 15 hours, you can estimate the change in the subject. Really, you will. I already proved this content with so many people. That's why I'm giving the good confidence. And come to the batch trainings. It's a live training. Every day we have a two batches. Morning 6 to 7 a.m. IST. It's a morning, and night 9 to 10 p.m. IST. It's a weekdays, Monday to Friday only. Monday to Friday. Guys, there is a only one unique link is available to join the sessions. Actually, I will use Zoom link for demo purpose. I am using GoToMeet, but regularly I will use Zoom link. So, for example, you are attending morning 6 to 7 a.m. due to any issue. If the day if you miss any session, for example, Monday you miss it due to journey or office hours, you miss it the 6 to 7. Same day you can attend a night same day 9 to 10 p.m. also you can attend it live same only, maybe examples different, topic same only. Otherwise, maybe if 2 weeks you have a morning shift, 2 weeks evening shift in a month, you can attend any one of them based on your compatibility. But attend any one of them, either morning or evening. No need to inform to me. Why? Because same Zoom link will be available to you, either morning or evening. Maybe day one morning, day two evening, day three morning. Yes, up to you. But attend live. That is my suggestion only. Yes, recorded started, Satya. Don't worry.
No, my main of ask is like, are you recording the sessions daily wise or how?
Yes, yes, I'm talking about that one. Every day you will get the daily recordings.
Okay.
After live.
Naga, are you sharing anything?
Yes, I will come to that part. So what you will get every day after live session. Example, I will show you something on the screen. Just completed batches. So many batches are there. You can see any one of the Python batch. Just I'm showing to you what is the which way you are going to get the recorded videos. Example, this is a one. One day is there. In the day, you can observe carefully. Any one of them.
You're
The
not
day.
able to see. Are you sharing any screen?
No, no, that is your side problem, right?
No, no. I am
Okay.
showing to you on my machine D drive or something showing to you. Don't
Yeah,
need
it
to.
is showing, sir.
I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah, you are able
Yes.
to see.
So that day, for example, this one completed session, guys. That day, here you can see 48.52 minutes. Yes, now the can I write in this way? Will it work? If a sequel or even there is a one for loop is there, you can use. So that is a, I mean, live after, guys. It is not a recorded training videos. I'm not going to play any recorded video. It is a live and interactive training. So many people came from other my other things. Okay, and that day used images and notes, and one unique notes I will provide to you for entire training. One unique notes, like for example, one unique notes what why it is benefit to you. You can also take the print out after complete training, a quick revision purpose, which is very very helpful to you. So every day after live, guys, my suggestion 200% attend for live only. Live only, no other option. Live. Why? Because in the live we have an interaction. You will type something on your machine, you will get good clarity. Why? Because it is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language. Okay, maybe Python is very easy up to one level only. Everyone says Python is easy. I can also say the same word, but up to which level? Not entire Python is easy. Here the deciding factors, first one is the data types. These will give to you 30% subject on the Python. And here I am going to take a 20 hours content on the data types only. 14 data types, 20 hours. Only data types, 14 data types we are going to learn here. This is only going to give you 30% subject on the Python. 30% subject on the Python by just data types only. Maybe you tried so many things, invested, I cannot say lakhs, but definitely it's a 5 digit amount invested to learn this type of technology. Just check my training. I'm not saying to you 60 days after you will get a subject. No, I'm not saying to you 16 hours. It is a 60 hours training, and you can observe the change after 15 hours only. And there is no sessions on Saturday and Sunday. For this, you will get the assignment. Example, Monday to Friday, I'm explaining to you three topics. Based on the three topics, you will get the assignment. It is not even a seventh standard student also easily can understand. That is my confidence on the subject. Yes, so I cannot say you are going to get an expert only attending the session. Definitely, from your end, daily practice is required. At least 30 minutes after live. Guys, you are attending 1 hour for live training. Then after, I am recommending to you 30 minutes. Only attending live, nothing will come. Maybe while attending, whatever I am typing to you, if you type, looks like it is very easy. Okay, generate some numbers, for example. Okay, looks it is very easy. Huh. But after the session, if you try to type, nothing will come. 30 minutes. These are the little conditions, but a 15 hours training only enough to get the clarity and confidence. Sir, where I can use this one? Where I can use this one? Especially this time almost a 30% new content added. First, Python is common, guys, for everyone. Maybe this Python only outside you have a 12K core Python and advanced Python. Same only. The names are different, just marketing strategy. If you go to the Python official document, there is no word about core, no word about advanced. This is marketing strategy, just like a uh, fees purpose. No core and advanced. But I can say which topics are important in the advanced, and here the first one is the functions, and next one is the object oriented principles and modules, right? So maybe you are familiar to some words also before coming to this one, guys. Like any words, list, set, are you getting these words anywhere in your life? I mean, IT career, are you seeing these words in the Python time? Yes, range, this type of words. Yes, are you
Yes,
familiar with these words?
yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. For example, I'm not going to explain to you like 1, 2, 3, 10, 10 to 10 to 1 reverse order. What is the use of that one in daily life? You are not going to get any task. For example, I am asking you, just like a print, what is my working directory files? See, I am using something, but don't worry. What is the working directory files in my D directory? What is my current working directory? So after learning Python, you will get a good confusion. Sir, where can I implement this technology? Yes. So for that, remember, after learning Python, you will get a confusion. I am very clearly saying that one. After learning Python, you will get a confusion. Where I can implement this Python. Okay. Now, guys, I added this module, specially added content this time. Previously, just maybe like overview even, but after learning Python, for example, you are expert in some technology, then you can play with anything na? Like that. Some modules are there here. OS module, just I shown you in front of you, like total 24 modules added, and those who are working on AWS cloud also added. AWS cloud, they also added this one, Boto 3 module, complete automation of AWS cloud, like lambda function. Maybe you are familiar to this word in AWS. Yes, my favorite section, and data engineering and AI section. You can see it is also like a one course I added. Simple way, data engineering, machine learning or AI. Now famous word AI. What is the AI? What way? What should I learn? But one thing, without Python, nothing will happen. Nothing will come. Without Python, you cannot learn AI or ML. Why? Because it's a platform independent. If you take Linux example, I have one Linux machine, I believe. Yes, this is my Linux machine. I'm starting. If you type same word, same command on Windows, for example, this is my Linux machine. I am asking what is my present working directory. See, it is my Linux terminology. Same area. It is my Windows terminology. Command is same. Here and there, operating system is only changing, but the commands are still same only. Okay, now first one we are going to start like a data types. There are total 14 data types are available. Very, very important one. Just I am list out these 14 data types, like int, float, boolean, complex, none. These are the 5 data types, one section. And list opposite tuple 2, set opposite is frozen set, and dict, str, range, bytes, byte array. These are the remaining 9 data types: 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this 5. Total 14 data types. It's the first topic in our training. You can see. Even example, this is a one batch. You can see I started data types at number 5, almost which is moved up to 18. And every topic after you have a revision section also. For example, 10 days I have explained to you. If I explain to you one topic, after that one day I allocated now revision purpose. This revision option previously not there, now this time only I'm adding. So once if you learn the data types, example, I want to read a one CSV file, like there is some users are there. So I want to find out, just observe here, there are two types of users are there here, or maybe user employees are there. I want to find out different ID members. Maybe here user ID same and this user ID is same. You can observe two files are there. I want to find out different ID numbers having people. Almost everyone same only, year 0, 4444. Example, I want to find out different users, how to work with a CSV file. For that you have a pandas is there. You can see I'm just trying to read this one. Import pandas. Just observe here, don't worry, day one only sir I'm unable to understand this one. Definitely you cannot understand this. I'm reading this data, pandas read underscore CSV. This file content I'm going to read. Just have a look. And this file name also. Okay, something I read it in my machine. Now you can see total records, 400 records are available. User ID here, there. I'm taking this user ID. For example, record one. Just have a look. Please observe. Record one is there. And record two here. Record two this one. Now, sir, record one having so many people, record two also having so many people. So, what are the common, not common, other than common? I mean, I want to get people which are not in the common section. I mean, not here and there. For example, my intention is very simple. My intention is very simple. For example, there is a 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 3, 4. I want to get people who are not part of two groups. I mean, one here is there. I don't want. Two is here there but not there. I want to get two. Three here is there. Here is there. Skip that. I want to get other than are part of only one group. So that is the answer you will get by the one of the topic set only here. This is the one. But I will show you really the answer is correct or not. There is a symmetric difference we will call. You can see this is a persons. Two IDs are not common in, I mean, only in one group only you have, not in another group. Really excellent topic this is. Or maybe you are very good at this list, 10, 20, 30, 40. If I write in this way, this is numbers writing. But what is the use, sir, if I write the numbers in this way? Even I can create a list with a fraction of seconds. Say this is a one list, empty list, nothing. We can write 1,000 numbers in fraction of 1 second only. You can see how simple I added. Now you can see your wife at 62 lines output you have. These numbers, okay, understanding the logic is definitely important, but before that, the subject and reality, these two important. Only getting the subject, your college days is excellent. I mean, getting the perfect marks by 20 by 20 marks, but reality implementation is missing in our academics. Fine. So the missing one here I added. Whatever I am explaining to you, I am going to attach with the real-time data. I am attaching to you with real-time data. So just I will explain to you course content. You can see first that installation part. What is Python? And one major thing to start this journey. What is the prerequisites? Nothing. No programming skills. Also very clearly I'm saying to you, sir. What are the prerequisites? What are you should be aware about your system. You should be aware about the system. And one laptop, Windows 10 is enough. 7 or 10 or 11. Mostly we are using 10 or 11. Mostly 11. One laptop. If you are belongs to IT related people, really it is a great benefit. If you are related to non-IT, definitely you need to do double work than IT people. Maybe you can easily understand what is the address location and what is a print function. And I'm going to use 5 alphabets to start this journey. Like in English, how we have 5 alphabets, here also print function, ID function, type function, help function, length function. These 5 only I'm going to use to start my Python. For example, a kid joining into this school, first for at least 1 2 months on his slate, we can able to see ABC or AB words only. Like that, to start Python, these 5 digits are 5 functions like alphabets in our course. Even everything I will show you again with a graphically. Graphical in the sense, what is a graphical is that? What is a graphically? Again, I am getting confusion. What is a graphically? You can see. Just wait. I will show you some example. Still loading. Okay. Whatever I used the words just closely observe. Whatever the words I used here, you can see. I used a word type 14 data types. First of all, same 14 data types. There is no change. Same 14 data types only I am using. And type function. Please check my mouse rotating area. ID function, ID function, and print function. See, help function. Nothing learned from the internet, ChatGPT. At least you are, if you are using ChatGPT, you have a capability to understand that program also. If you are learning, you can learn anything from the ChatGPT. Even you have a skills of modification also, na. Without modification skills, if you copy paste, even simply deep learning program easily recognize you. You are copy pasting from the internet. That is not even we have what is that copy pasting, but that is also others should not understand your copy pasting skills. For that also your Python skills are mandated. Okay, fine. So first section is data types. What is a Python history and installation? And one thing for this, I am going to use 3 editors. One is Python IDLE. I am going to use to learn. This is a Python IDLE. Same time, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook. Please wait. Like it's a one of the Jupyter Notebook. You can, I mean, if you are planning for ML AI, I will recommend this one. And another one, if you are using Office laptop or maybe you are not sure on which laptop you are using, maybe if you don't have own laptop, Colab. Colab is Google's free one, and almost they will provide you one core CPU, 1 GB RAM to start this one. Guys, if you are asking massive, if I want to mesmerize you in day one, I have a lot of things. For example, if you want to print alphabet A to Z, Z to A, that things are very easy. Na? You can see. If you want to get that things, I will show you something. ASCII letters. I will print A to Z or like K equal to, and I am printing in reverse order. These magic I can perform anything, but day one, day 60, our statement and process of exploration should be I want to maintain in the same order. You're expecting, sir, I want to get a OTP program. Huh? These one, day one, okay, day two, okay. But what is, if you don't know Python, if I explain to you lot of things, what is the use? For example, show you. I will show you. Int 1 to 10, one number random.rand there is a one program. If you want to get OTP programs, if I want to mesmerize you, uh, my intention is, guys, a genuine subject I want to provide. That is my genuine opinion. I want to provide in the training in that way. For example, now if you want to generate the OTP, I will write simple way. You can see random like while loop I'm taking, just close lecture for I in range of 4 print random dot rand int 1 comma 10 or 1 comma 9, any number. See, every 2 seconds it is going to give to you one OTP, 4-digit OTP, every 2 digits. Otherwise, if you want to get 10-digit OTP, like see, 10-digit OTP for every 1 second. You can see. Just this is a subject only, not like if I give to you image detection, or I want to get a progress bar, I want to create a CSV file, JSON file. That all are your part of course content. You can just go through them. Okay, give me few minutes time. I will explain to you course content. It's a one-time payment, 3,500. There is no monthly charges, hidden charges. Okay, now basic syntaxes. What are the keywords are available? If you start really, if you are having any programming skills, if you open Python ideally one first time, see I'm opening Python ideally. Everything here only you can see. Everything here only. Enter help or click help above for more information. Sir, if you type help, everything here only you can see. Nothing to see any document to start this journey. Everything here only you can see. Every statement here only available. Every statement here only available. Every statement. Even wonderful thing I will tell you. Your course completely about these keywords. 35 keywords in Python. Today you have a 35 keywords. How to learn that keywords? That is a subject. Sir, I am not saying to you by heart this one. How to use, when to use. First one, when to use. When to use important, these keywords. In English, A to Z, 26 alphabets. Like here, these are your alphabets. If you know at least 30 keywords, you are expert. Expert. You are expert in the Python. That's all. This is a one how to use. But learning means take a paper by heart, first line, second line. No, no, no. That's why when to use, how to use. These two statements are important. Okay, come back to course content. That is the keywords. Then after where we can use the Python operator. Here 14 data types are included. And runtime programs, how to write take the runtime input, like sir, I want to add a program, take two numbers as an input. This is magics are possible every time. Enter first number and enter second number, enter third number, print the result. Y equals to enter second number, print the result. See, I'm printing some, their sum I'm printing, and their product, I'm product in the sense multiplication, product I'm printing, and simple. You can see the output. I'm just moving speed. Why? Because I need to cover total content. But okay, this is also one example. Day one, definitely we have to learn in this way only. Don't expect expert in 4 5 hours. 60 hours, I can say you are expert. So input function, and what is a raw function, type function, ID, address, location. At 14 data types, guys. Here I written simple word data types. Sorry, what is the words? This is I'm getting 14 data types, 30% subject, 20 hours content. Here I covered. And next here, as usual, operators. And if you go to the arithmetic operator, there is a plus symbol, minus, into, floor division, normal division, modulo, exponent operators. These all will come to operator section. These all will come to the operator section. And here relation operators means greater than, one second, greater than or equal, greater than, less than or equal, less than, and equal operator, not equal operator. How to check two values are same or not? Very, very important section. Logical operator and or not. Powerful one, guys. These are the powerful ones. And assignment operator, there are single line assignment, multi-line assignment, membership, in and not in operators, in and not in operators, identity, address location, is operators, precedence operators. So as usual, conditional statements. Like this is a one more third major topic. So conditional statement area, like printing style, you will understand. For example, I am asking you one example, like print A, like wait, one second. I want to print a different style, not numbers. My intention is I want to print A, B, A, B, C. Here in this section, you will get a logical thinking. This example really not helpful to you in your daily life, but logical skill will be improved here. For example, user is providing 5. I want to print A, B, C, D, E, C, D, and next line A, B, C, D, E. Like that, I want to print. User will give to only number. Then how to convert to number to alphabet? So here you need to understand what is the ASCII value of A. What is the ASCII value of A? Any idea? Hmm? Any idea about ASCII value of A?
No. 01.
67.
67. There is a two functions are there. You can give 67 for C, but good attempt. A ASCII value is 65. 65. There is a two functions will helpful to you. But range function only deciding one for the numbers to generate. Okay, let me, I will explain otherwise. For I in range of 67 to 67 plus 26, I believe that is 90. Almost 93. I am taking. Okay. See, I am printing alphabet, character, CHR, like I am printing. You can see just randomly written program, not a alphabets. You can see printed from C onwards, not 67. And Z, I mean, remove that to 91. 91 is a 90 is the last one, I think. 90 is the last one. So printing in this, but I am not asking print A to Z. No, no, no. I am asking you the design I want, like this design. So that we can achieve by using the loops concept. Sorry, conditional statements. Conditional statements and loops. The two together we are calling as a control flows. Control flows we can call. The two we can call as a control flows. Control flows. Okay, then after this you will understand. So here data types has coming. After this you will understand functions topic, guys. Even I can say whatever I'm going to explain to you functions, even you cannot get over the internet also. There are total 4 plus 2, 6 type of functions based on the definition, based on the calling. So definition time we will call as a parameters, calling time we will call as a arguments. So total 6 type of functions. I will show you instead of my words. Give me 1 second. Right? You can see function 1, function 2, some function 4 somewhere we have. Just I'm playing a video. Really, I am not sure which one is going to come and which example is going to come. I am not sure.
So, wonder. So you mentioned written, but can I use it? Is it correct? Yes. Keyword argument. Keyword argument. So order is doesn't matter. Even you can apply order also, but this is one. But is it okay?
Just please listen.
20 is going to store in A. 20. Position argument, first place is 20. Please keep on there. First value 20 is going to store in the first variable. But again you are supplying A value 2 times duplicate or not? Yes? Duplicate for A or not?
Yes.
How to resolve? Can I write in this way? This will work. Close that way.
Yes, it will work. Yes, this will work.
Yeah, this will work.
Okay. So after the theory part, lab. Most of the time, I will give the priority for the lab activity only. Theory also important, but lab activity is my main priority. So functions after there is a module section will come. How to create our own modules based on our organization. And next one, there is a very important time. OOPS concept, object oriented. This area I decided I want to allocate more time. Why? Because if you go to the AI section, AI training or machine learning, you will get a you will miss the confidence while learning AI. Without Python, okay, but I'm talking you're learning Python means okay, but inside of the OOPS concept is missing. Really not good. Even cloud section also. Guys, usually I will provide trainings on AI, which is a different batch, not part of your course. You can I will show you some examples why I'm saying to you this is very important. 1 second. This is not Python, just one of the AI batch. For that, I used these programs. I'm just showing to you what is the importance of OOPS concept. Okay, not this one, small thing. Python py. Okay, here I have one py, here also one py extension. See, to understand OOPS concept, see here the problem, like this one. This is a problem. Without OOPS concept, you cannot understand. Without OOPS concept, object creation, class name, the terminology may be different, but if you miss this area, if you miss Python OOPS concept, you cannot understand any AI model. No, not possible. Sir, easy to tell, oh, Python easy, but Python is very easy. If I explain these words, happy, you will happy. But reality is, if you come to try to learn this one, why they are using double square bracket, why you are using single bracket. Okay, these conditions may be easy to you. But what is a class? What is an object? What is a zero parameterized constructor? For example, today your YouTube is working. Why? Which reason? See, I'm creating one class. I'm calling nothing, even though it is executing. Sometimes if you open your YouTube, by default you will get some recommended videos. You are getting some recommended videos. How this is working, you can see. I'm just here, OBJ is nothing but you are clicking on your YouTube. Now I'm not calling anything, even though it is working. You can see, even though it is working, even though it is calling nothing but just like integration with the GUI. Graphical user interface is very easy. So OOPS concept is a major topic, and this time onwards I decided to put more effort on that section. And anyhow, files, how to create CSV file, JSON file, how to read a content into file. Example, please create a file. Please create a CSV file or please create a file. How simple, you can see. I'm creating naga.tst, write operation as R F. 1 second. Why we are getting error with spelling mistake? F dot write. Hi, good morning. Import os dot start file. Please open this file. Without manual work, I'm opening in front of you. See, I didn't touch the folder. Whatever the file created, naga.tst created and opened in front of you without touch that file. Okay, file management important, especially inside CSV is very powerful. Why? Because most of the time you are going to work with the CSV data only if you are a data engineer or AI. So as I said, OOPS concept, especially constructor section. Without constructor, you cannot understand AI. And these are the subparts of, okay, error handling, exception handling. And regular expression, this is completely different course, a 2-hour session for especially searching a word in a file. In that section, which is very very helpful to you, if you are working for data backup or cloud engineers, regular expressions are important. And multi-threading, just net, okay, this is networking, nothing but module section also I covered here, module also. So guys, these modules related to different environment paper. Really you have in Python only 24 modules? No, 1.5 lakhs modules are there. 1.5 lakhs, 1.5. But this time modules previously also there, but I more like little way only. I decided oops concept modules. Third one is the pandas module. See, if you see from this section, NumPy after pandas also look like a course to you. Pandas also looks like a course only. Why? Because guys, I observed the drawback in the AI. If, for example, you are joining AI, how much time I allocated for pandas, you can see. How much time allocated for pandas here. From the, you can see, one, almost 7 hours. 7 hours allocated for pandas. If you join for AI, but in the Python, if you learn, really, you can completely focus on AI course. This is my AI batch video I'm showing to you. So here I explain to you pandas, then after you will understand, okay, this is a pandas and how to take a rows, columns, and how to find out null values. This is a way you can identify, no doubt. But guys, if you complete that things in Python training to you, no one will beat you. In the, see, someone will learn pandas, numpy, functions, oops concept in the AI training. If you learn this one AI training, tell me, for example, you are joining someone, maybe you are planning to learn AI. Directly you join for AI. 90% explained Python course only. Then what about your models and what is the predictions, machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, where you can learn? Maybe not only data science, sorry, data engineering is also important. This is important. Pandas is common for any technology. So if you are learning for joining for AI, 90% our Python, what is it? Python course only will come. 10% AI will come. But what is the use? No use. See, this 90% also you have to learn in Python only. You have to focus on models in the AI, how they are going to predict the output. Prediction is important. What is the crash validation, crash metric, score matrix? So these areas you need to see. So if you are learning for AI, actually the happening thing is learning Python only. That is a problem, reality. But if you learn and if you get a one experience, then you will understand, okay, Python is different, AI is different. Once we are good at Python and some standard modules, then only we have to decide for this. So like that, we have a good content is there. Whatever I written here, every word my responsibility. And come to other than this, yes. So what is the process? So it's a only one-time payment. After your payment, I'm going to add your number to one WhatsApp group. I will add your number to one WhatsApp group. Guys, already those who are completed your payments, I will add your number to group. Please give me some time. I will add to group. I am only the trainer, and after adding the group, after 2 to 3 days, I will collect your mail. I will give the access for the recording. But again, I'm telling to you, attend for live training, you will get a good experience. It is 60 days. How much? 2 months or 2.5 months journey. But really, you will remember, I will get a new people from you only again. I will get a new people from you from you only, not from others, from you only. From you only, I'm going to get a new people. Almost my completed training people 8K. In my contacts, presently 12,000 contacts are there, but 8K came from my training people only. I mean, completed people only. And that is not a small thing. There is no job guarantee, first of all. Course guarantee I will give you, no job guarantee. And this is the only one batch. Morning and evening you have, you can attend anything. Sir, I am attending that 20 days. Then after, can I attend next batch? No, sir. You have to pay again. Only for this batch you can attend morning or evening. Otherwise, you can take the recording every day. Sir, you are attending today live. Will I get the daily recording? Happily, you will get. You are attending daily also. You can see the playlist 1 to 60 is available to you in the same drive link. Same drive link. There is no compromise. So many recorded videos also available are the Facebook. Someone okay selling in a different way, but nothing will happen. Why? Because this time completely course content is different. Previous to now completely different, and this is a payment process. And after that, if you want to communicate, this is my personal number also and QR code. Guys, only one thing, after payment, please share the payment screenshot to given number 8099809099. Either you can use QR code or directly pay this number. After payment, please share the screenshot. Nothing to reveal on this live session. I will add your number to the group. This is from my end, guys. Any queries, please you let me know your name and you can ask your question.
Yeah, this is Nasik.
Uh,
Yes,
Naga,
please.
after learning Python, you want me to whether we need to go to AI?
I mean,
Because
you're
future is
planning AI blindly. Yes, even if you complete this course nowadays, I mean, the corporate or training institutes, you are almost completing a 30% of AI course also. Happily, you can go. But after this, only you can plan.
means I mean to say whether I can go for AI, because if you said it in AI, we can cover Python also. Am I right?
Correct.
So
No, no,
so whether
no. One thing, I will tell you the real fact. This is a
yeah,
Python AI started. Please observe how many sessions I have taken for Python. Just have a look. Day one. Sorry, is it my Python? No, no, no. A. One second. Good question. Really good question. I will give you good clarity. See, this is my
Naga,
machine
my
learning.
question.
Just wait. One
Hello.
second. One second. You can see how many days I selected for Python. Just closely observe. Day 1 to day 19 only, na? Am I
yes,
right? After that, I directly jump to ML, machine learning. Really tell me, okay, just I'm telling you, this 60 hours, really it is not going to replace. Are you agree?
yes.
60 hours, 60 cannot replace this 19 hours. If you are planning for AI, really you have to complete this one. It is a wanted one. Okay, guys, please let me know your name and you can ask your question.